Woza Soccer Beat yethu sibuyile kwakhona Phethu Chester Sipho Masilela Shakes Ngwenya Sundowns legend ningakhohlwa bafethu subscribe we need to grow sicela ukukhula sibe bakhulu nathi sisondele kwabanye amakhulu abafana nathi bafethu namhlanje sithetha ngoba ikhona isidingo soba kudlalwe overseas Chester wena ubudlalile overseas ngibona uFoster udlala kwi-Premier League ndoda yi-league enswimpu mara mangibhekile nje yami ayisona istrike esinokwazi sithi sithembela ngaye ingathi i-Cram Rainers noma Krupa babonisa more than uFoster nje yami ibona njani wena?
It's a tricky one, wena Mjawa, because if you ujonga uFoster ne, and sometimes people undermine the thing yokudlala regularly and be on form. It's not like he's a starter, he's banging goals that side, and then he gets to Bafana, he's not banging goals, you know. That side is injured, is in this week, is out. You have on another sharpness and everything. I think we must not undermine that. Uchi. The best way for a confidence yakho and to be more sharp is to be on the field, you know, playing regularly. And any soccer players of Chela, I want to be in there. The more I play, the more confident I get, you know, the more sharp I get. So I think also maybe that also a factor, in my opinion, which Timinak is not like a guaranteed starter number 9, but Uyo Shama goals, you know, and it's had also a difficult season where it's a stop and go. We had Dala 2 games injured, the Abuya, you know, those things. And yeah, man, I don't know. But man, I still say players should move overseas, regardless.
Ujo Chester because also i-history yasicelela Mshego ukuthi ba besintswempu ngexesha i-players zethu bezidlala overseas oLucas abobani izinto zitshintshile kodwa Shakes ngoku PSL strong nje yami umvile uRele uthi uRele nami I play in the best league in the world yabona uTeboho Mokoena akabonakali ngathi second best kulamajita mabedlala so yintoni ingxaki mhlambi kuFoster enolungiswa okanye sithini from up Msheke because sine match eyi-1 enke ngoku uFoster ukhona but uMakhupa noRainers nabo bayengqongqoza.
Yeah, no, I think uThepho uyibekile yacaca lento straight nje ukuthi lo muntu lo uFoster at this present juncture akadlali naseligini yakibo yabo. Angeke uyithathe kancane into ye-game time Mdaka akufani muhleli ungadlali ethimini yakho bese ungena ku-national team ne performance yakho mawudlala regularly for i-team yakho kuzobonakala nasegrawundini mudlalela i-national team yabo but-ke uFoster in his case bekangadlali sonke lesikhathi and kuyacaca nasegrawundini akakuniki nje leyo confidence ukuthi uzokora ngathi sekazokora noma iform isizofika yabo. So yeah, I think isizathu kakhulu ukuthi abantu bakhale ngaye uFoster because bayabona ukuthi naseligini yakhe akusiyo ukuthi uyaperforma kakhulu yabo. So I think naye ubhekile nje ukuthi yes, he's playing in a top league but asikuboni egrawundini lokho ngoba i-game time akayitholi nalapho.
Sithini ke ngoku sithini Chester for lapha sithini nje yami ngoba asizukwazi ukuphinda sithi okay siyambheka uFoster for 45 minutes sithandaze sithi eish mhlambe the film will turn around sithini from up ngoba sinama player u3 Rainers Makhupa noFoster sithini next game South Korea qala bani
Kalo Makhopa, Kalen Makhopa. I think the two they've had their chance, you know, and I'm not your who's as good as your last game. I think the last game Makhopa came in and made a huge difference kule game there. So we might as well give him a chance now.
angakhatshwa nguRainers singayi nga2 ke Msheke siyazi i-target man noRainers obalekayo.
Yeah, no, I think nami ngivumelana naye uThepho ukuthi i-team le ekugcineni kule last game yiyo ngempela etshengise ukuthi iyafuna ukudlala yabona isinikile lelo themba lelo ukuthi noma ngabe mhlawumbe bekedwe enye 10 minutes khona bekuzoyenzakala ngempela aborile bangene bafaka umfutho naye uMakhopa wafika waba strong wasebenzisa istrength sakhe wahlulwa nje i-technique ukuthi afinishe. Kodwa-ke I think-ke njengoba uThembo naye sekashilo, abo-Rainers bayitholile i-chance yabo. Yes, angimblame futhi kakhulu u-Rainers, i-service udiphenda kuyo naye, yabo. But it will be important kule game esiyoyidlala against i-Japan ukuthi uMakgopa asiholdele ibhola, i-strength sakhe on the ball sizoba important because hey, labantu laba, once you lose the ball, they are very dangerous, they are very fast. We're going to need to keep ibhola singalilahli, and uMakgopa can be our reference up front in terms of holding the ball, and then bese bayajoyina in abantu abafana nabo Bufokeng engim-expect-ayo naye ukuthi ayiqale igame ngoba ngempela uye ongene waletha enye i-element confuse ama-opponents, the flair and the skill. We need it.
Ayonto imnandi kodwa Chester le. Clearly ayonto imnandi le Chester. Asizukwazi kaloku sithi siyadoubt ngubani u-number 1 striker wethu. Masithi kule past season okanye past 2 years uRainers ubhengile more than at least double figures kwiclub yakhe. Uyabona? So at least siyambona ukuthi uyakora. Yini inkinga ke Chester? Yintoni ingxaki mfondini? Yintoni ingxaki kangaka? Kutheni thina uMzantsi singenaso istriker sithi without a doubt nankuya u-number 1 striker uyaskora 20 goals, 15 goals. Asinabo umuntu onjalo, siyadibheyitha nangoku ubani ofuneka aqale. Iphi ingxaki Chester? Yintoni kanye ingxaki mhlawumbi?
Eish, inzima le mjalo. Soloko sisearcha nathi ingxaki, for years now we've been asking ourselves, eMzantsi, everyone uzokutshela ukuthi our problem is finishing. But in my opinion, it goes down to development, how you've been developed. I remember ngesikhathi sabo Beni, if you check i-Ajax Amsterdam, the strikers they used to produce, it shows you good development laphiyana. It's Abo Suarez, Beni, Huntelaar, Zlatan, le group le beyiphuma la beshayinet. Ya bengadlala ubheke nje i-history leyo ukuthi i-striker besenza lapho besinjani, bebuma-finisher, beba-deadly ngokufinisha. So I think also i-development, man, they sometimes want to skip ama-stages or the development is not proper. You bound to struggle uma ufika ku-level efana njengabo-World Cup, bra.
So asikwazi ublame ama-strikers ke Msheke sithi i-fault yabo. Bona bazamile bakule ndawo bakuyo, bazamile. This is the best can we be satisfied sithi this is the best that they can do okanye kukhona mhlawumbe ukubonayo mhlawumbe uMakgopa nokwenza noma extra kule match ilandelayo?
Yeah, no, engingakusho nje iplayer elifana noMakgopa umuntu oziprovile throughout the season, to be talisman ye-Pirates, and Pirates ended up winning the league. So credit it due kuye uMakgopa in terms of his performances this season. So uyadeserve ukuthi abe khona lapha ku-national team, and uyiplayer elikwaziyo ukuthi give 100%, ile type of player le i-coach noma i-decider i-starting lineup yakhe. I'm sure uyacabanga ukuthi hayi uMakgopa uzonginika lo 100% noma angakoranga, but he's got that element of hustling and working hard, which coaches generally like. Yabo, so it becomes an option futhi after a player like uRainers. No-Rainers naye uziprovile, uyazi futhi Mjaka, mina ngangihlale ngimvotela uRainers ngisho ngithi uzoba i-top goal scorer yami, but unfortunately akadlali-ke that amount of games ku-Sundowns because squad rotation nakho konke. So that's why ubona ukuthi naku-Sundowns you don't have i-goal scorer nje amagoli amaningi ukudlula abanye because ayarestwa ama-player laphayana. Personal glory is not what Sundowns strives for esikhathini esiningi. But-ke I believe uRainers naye ukuthi if asebenziswa kahle, he can be very useful. He's a very deadly striker given the right type of service.
Sithini ke madoda, score predictions ngoku. Nimcacisele yonke i-theory yenu yoba makuthiweni. Ngoku head on the block. Ndibamba ngentamo soon over 2. Imagine isandla sami is on your neck ngoku. Ndibambe ngentamo no-2. Chester, score prediction. Ubona njani?
2-1 Bafana Bafana.
Bani oskorayo?
Apoli. maybe Makopa or Reina's later.
Shege, over to you nje ngibona
Yeah,
njani
mina
nizohamba
Mjaka
njani
nje
igame?
before ngisho le-score ukuthi ngipredicta siphi i-score, into engingathanda ukuyibona nje ebafaneni ihanga man, ihanga to score. We've got nothing to lose. Look at ama-team afana nabo Cape Verde. They've been playing the likes of your Spain. They've been playing the likes of your Uruguay, top teams in the world, but they are not afraid to go toe and toe, you know. And I believe ukuthi thina sinayo leyo quality leyo yokuthi sibalande labantu, singabasabi, sibadribule, sebenzise iflay yethu, you know, and confuse them. And you can see once we start playing ibhola lethu, even the crowd becomes on our side, you know, because we play brand of football ethandwa abantu. So I think we must stick to that. We must believe in ourselves and we must go for it. You know, we mustn't be passive, but we must take the game to Japan. So I think we will do
South
that.
Korea wena. South Korea wena.
And I say,
Bazokuthuka base South Korea bathi, "Hey man, I'm not Japanese, I'm South Korean, man."
yeah, boy, what's the South Korea? Sorry. Yes, so my score prediction is also 2-1 to Bafana Bafana.
Ukora bani nje yami? Ufuna ukore bani?
Makopa to score 1.
Yeah.
Bese kuba isotsha, uyalazi isotsha le Bafana Mokoena. Oh, konje akekho uMokoena Nkosi yami.
Akekho.
Apolis, yes. Apolis, I think he's got that hunger for igoli. Uzolithola kulokhu.
Hayi madoda. Dinibambile, i-recording ishayile. Uthe wena 2-1. Sizobuya ke after game sizomncokola kwakhona. Enkosi madoda, Tshepo Masilela, Shakes Ngwenya. Siyabuya ngusoccer beat wethu. Let the beat do the talking.
Soccer beat, what?